Good morning, everyone. It's the 157th day of school. Let's see if we can find that on our chart here. 150. Here's the 150s. 157. Okay, let's write that number and let's represent that with tens, ones, and hundreds blocks. Okay, so I'm going to write 157, and then I'm going to represent that. 100. Okay. I know that you're an expert at this by now, so probably isn't taking you too long to do that. Okay, I went to show you it with the 100s, 10s, and 1s blocks. So here's my 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157. So remember last week I showed you how we could write that with an equation. Well, first let's look at how this would look if we just represent that, and then we'll try and write it with an equation. So here's what it would look like. So here's 157. So 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150. And then I represented 7 with 4 and 3. So 100, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 157. Okay, now last week we talked about that this can be represented with an equation because we're really adding we're adding together the 100s, the 10s, and the 1s. So what's the value of this block right here? Right, it's 100. So we're going to write 100. And then plus how many 10s? Oops, you don't 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? So we're going to do 100 plus 50, and then plus the 1s. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 100 plus 50 plus 7 equals how many altogether? 157. Ooh, I'm kind of running out of space there. But there we go. That's what whoa, things are sliding around a lot today. 157. That's how you would represent that in 10s and 1s. And then with an equation. Okay, so here's the 157. 100 plus 50 plus 7 equals 157. Okay, thanks for doing that with me. Let's practice our mindful breathing. I'm going to kind of give myself a space here. I have a lot of my math tools right here with me. Okay, find a spot where you can be. Find a comfortable position to sit in, where you can be like a statue. Try and be like a statue. Think about what breath you'd like to do for breathing today. You can choose a special one, or you can do regular breathing. I'm going to do smell the roses and blow out the candles. Recently, I saw something that called that one cake breathing, because you're blowing out the candles. So that's kind of a fun way to think of it. Okay, are you ready to do breathing with me? Here we go. Okay, thanks for doing that with me. And I hope that everyone has a great. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot to tell you about the countdown. Holy smokes, that would have been something crazy. Are you wondering why I look like I do today? It's a little bit different for me, isn't it? Let me show you where we are in the countdown. Oh, and I have something to show you too about the countdown. We're on letter H today. So you can be thinking what H might stand for. We're on letter H. Do you see that tiny little I? I remember how we always talk about that it's okay to make a mistake. Don't worry if you make a mistake. It's okay. We all make mistakes. I made a mistake. When I made my alphabet, I left out the letter I. I noticed it one day when I was just looking at it hanging on my wall, and I thought, I forgot the letter I. And I thought, gosh, should I make a whole new one? What should I do? And I thought, I can be flexible. And so I made a little I. It's cute. Little teeny I. It fit right in there. It's not perfect, but you know what? It doesn't have to be perfect. It works, and I still love it. Okay, but today we're on letter H. Do you have a guess? Hair. It's Crazy Hair Day. So if you want to get crazy with your hair, think about what you can do sometime today to have crazy hair. What can you do to make your hair crazy, crazy, crazy? And then will you take a picture and send it to me? I'd love to see pictures of your crazy hair. Okay. Have a great day with crazy hair.